Okay, now the next one. So that was 236, 237. So 5 joules to stretch the spring from 8 to 12 centimeters. So we're using centimeters. So I'm going to convert it to meters. So that would be 8 minus L, 12 minus L, kx dx. That's 5. So what that means is 0.12 minus. So integrating that, it's the usual story, k over 2x squared. So that would be 0.2 minus L squared minus k over 2, 0.08 minus L squared. That's equal to 5. Now that by itself is not enough. I'll multiply by 2 at least, so I'll have k 0.12 minus L squared minus k 0.08 minus L squared. That should equal 10. And then additional 4 joules to go from 12 to 14, 0.12 minus L and 0.14 minus L, kx dx. That's 4 joules. So again, that would mean k over 2, 0.14 minus L squared minus k over 2, 0.12 minus L squared. That's equal 4. So that means k 0.14 minus L squared minus k 0.12 minus L squared. That's equal 8. So could definitely take the k out. And then if I divide, I get the equation 0.12 minus L squared minus 0.08 minus L squared equals 10 over 8. 0.14 minus L squared minus 0.12 minus L squared. But I've got to expand. Is there any sneaky way? I don't think so. All right, let's expand. So that's 0.0144 minus 0.24 L plus L squared minus, and then 0.08 squared is 0.0064 plus 0.16 L minus L squared all over. That's 4 over 3. 0.14 squared, which is 0.0196 minus 0.28 L plus L squared minus 0.0144 plus 0.24 L minus L squared. Cancel, 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 cancel. So what have I got on the top? 0.0144 minus 0.0064. So I have 0.008 minus, well, hang on, that number. That's minus 0.08 L over 0.0196 minus 0.0144. That's 0.0052. Then minus 0.28 plus 0.24. Minus 0.04 L equals 4 over 3. So that would be 0.024 minus 0.0, minus 0.24 L equals then 0.0208 minus 0.116 L. So I can easily solve that for L. So that would be 0.024 minus 0.0208 divided by 0.24 minus 0.16. So that would be 4 centimeters for the L. What is the natural length of the spring? Let us find out. So this is 237. No. Next one. This one? No, what? 237. 5 centimeters. 4 centimeters. No. How could I be so close and yet so far? 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Try to type it in again. 0.024 minus 0.0208 divided by 0.24 minus 0.16. 4 centimeters. Rats. Let's check if my numbers are right. 5 joules, 8 to 12. Whoops. 8 to 12, 5 joules. So that's a half K, that minus a half K, that equals 5, so that's equal to 10. Because I multiply by 2 and take the K out. So that all looks good. And then an additional 4 to stretch from 12 to 14. So I assume that's a 4 and not a 9. Twelve to 14, kx is 4, k over 2, 14, 12. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, take out the k, that's that. Right, so divide the 12, the 8, the 10, the 14, the 12, and the 8. 10 over 8, of course, is 5 over, why did on earth did I say 4 over 3? When of course it should be 5 over 4. What a silly mistake. 5 over 4. All right. 5 over 4. So if I multiply by 4 at 0.032 minus 0.32 L equals, and then multiply by 5. So that would be 0.026 minus, and then 0.04 times 5 is 0.2 L. So then L would equal 0.032 minus 0.026 divided by 0.32 minus 0.2. Huzzah! 5 centimeters. Well, there you go. What a Can't believe I do silly things like this. Get the whole thing right and then say 10 over 8 is not 5 over 4. Embarrassing.